Welcome to the last video of verbs and tenses, lesson number 7 of our textbook. In the previous videos, we have seen the explanation and textbook exercise also we have done. Now let us revise is left. Page number 83, exercise A, we will start with write the correct tense against each sentence. This is the first question of let us revise. In this question, you have to write the tenses, which tense the sentence belongs to. For this, what you have to do is you have to get the verb. If the verb is with s or es or in the first form, then that verb is in simple present tense. That means that sentence is of simple present tense. If the verb is ending with ed or d or ied, that means it is a simple past tense. And if the verb is with the helping verb will or shall with the main verb, then the sentence is in the future tense. So while reading the sentences, we have to see the verbs and accordingly we have to write the tenses of those sentences. So let us start. First one, he loves his parents. Verb is loves with es, that means it is a simple present tense. Mohit borrowed my pen yesterday. Borrowed is the verb with ed, that means it is simple past tense. We drink water to refresh ourselves. Drink, first form of verb, that means again it is a simple present tense. Chetan will come to my house next month. Will, helping verb, main verb is come. So will is there means it is a future tense. She will write a letter. Again same, will is there, so the sentence is in future tense. The cat ran after the mouse. Ran is the past tense of run, so it is, the sentence is in past tense. He wants to take rest. Wants is the verb with s, that means it is present tense. Ravi collapsed in the field. Ed with collapse, so the sentence is in past tense. I share my tiffin with my friends. First form of verb, so the sentence is in present tense. Share is in first form. I shall help you to complete your homework. I shall help, that means shall help, shall is the helping verb and help is the main verb, and shall means the sentence is in future tense. So the answers are simple present tense, simple past tense, simple present tense, simple future tense, simple future tense, simple past tense, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple present tense and simple future tense. Next exercise, exercise B, fill in the blanks with suitable verbs. Here we have to fill the blanks with suitable verbs. To do this exercise, we have to see the subject of all the sentences. We have to see the verbs. Main verbs are given here, that means we have to fill these blanks with helping verbs. We have to see the main verb in which tense it is, accordingly the helping verb will come. Some words like tomorrow or day after tomorrow or yesterday, day before yesterday, all these words help you to get the future tense or past tense. So keeping in mind all these things, you have to do this exercise. Let us start. First one, I dash spent the money. So here it will come, I have spent the money. Ravi dash absent today. Ravi is absent today. He dash gone to Kolkata. He has gone to Kolkata. It dash hot yesterday. It was hot yesterday. My father dash angry. My father is angry or my father was angry. Both words are correct. Himesh dash come tomorrow. Himesh will come tomorrow. I dash hungry. I am hungry. They dash no money but to buy a new car. They have no money to buy a new car. Her hair dash very long. Her hair is very long. They dash told to bring their English notebooks. They have told to bring their English notebooks. Write all the answers in the textbook. They are have, is, has, was, is or was. Both are correct. Will, am, have, is, have. Next exercise, next page. Page number 84. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with suitable verbs from the box. See, in the box, verbs are given. We have to put the correct verbs in this blanks. Now, first one. The earth dash round the sun. It is written there run, but it is sun. Answer is revolves. Next, he dashed to school. He walks to school. Next, lions dash and dogs dash. Lions roar and dogs bark. He dash a pen to Aman. He gave a pen to Aman. Yogesh will dash the bravery award from the president. Yogesh will receive the bravery award from the president. The baby dash on to her mother's lap. The baby climbed onto her mother's lap. Ali Baba dash his donkeys homeward. Ali Baba drove his donkeys homeward. The three boys dash behind a tall tree. The three boys hid behind a tall tree. Next one, the monkeys dash the mango orchard. Answer, destroyed. The monkeys destroyed the mango orchard. Next, last one, I dash cricket. I like cricket. So, the answers are revolves, walks, roar and bark, gave, receive, climbed, drove, hid, destroyed and like. Next exercise, exercise D. Write whether the highlighted verbs show action or being. See, some words are highlighted in red color. They are the verbs of these sentences. And these verb, if the verb is telling about the action performed by the subject, then you have to fill the blank with action. And if the verb is telling about the state of being or the existence of the subject, then you have to fill with being. So let us start doing it. I am sick. It is a state of being. So the answer is being. Preetham is a tall boy. Again the same thing. So the answer is being. It tells us about the state of the subject. Now next one. Shubham decorated the classroom. The action is performed by the subject. So here it is an action sentence. So you have to fill with action. My pet dog barked loudly. Same thing, barked. Barked is a action performed by the dog. So it is an action. The boys are asleep. Here again a state. Then in the blank you have to fill being. So the answers are being, action, action and being. Now see the next exercise, exercise E. Fill in the blanks with is, are or am. Is filled when it is a present tense with singular subject. Are is used with the present tense with plural subject, and am is used with I. So this one is very easy exercise. Payal dash talking to her teacher. Payal singular, and now it is going on process, that is present tense. Payal is talking to her teacher. I dash a good boy, am a good boy. The girls means plural. So the girls dash playing basketball. The girls are playing basketball. I dash feeling cold. I am. He dash the manager of the shop. He is the manager of the shop. So the answers are is, am, are, am, is. Next, exercise F. Make sentences with the verbs according to the tense given in brackets. Yes, 10 words are given, and in the brackets the tenses are given. What we have to do in this exercise is, with the verbs we have to make sentences according to the tenses given in the brackets. I hope you understood what you have to do. This exercise you have to do it by your own. You have to make sentences with the verbs in the given tenses and write those sentences in your notebook. So in this way you have to do this exercise. Next exercise G, that is the last exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in brackets. So here again in brackets the verbs are given. We have to write the correct form of the word according to the subjects and the sentences. So let us start doing that. First one, I dash for a walk yesterday. Go. Yesterday means past tense. So what will be the answer? I went for a walk yesterday. Arohi dash vegetables from this shop. Okay, Arohi buys vegetables from this shop. Next one, I dash it is going to rain. Yes, here I think it is going to rain. Next one, he dashed the picture to me. Show, in bracket we have got the verb. He showed the picture to me. Answer is showed. Mr. Singh dashed to lock his car. In bracket we have got forget. Mr. Singh forgot to lock his car. This is the answer. Raj dash 4 liters of water every day. Drink. Drink will become drinks. Mr. Das dash the children playing on the road. See. See will become saw. Krishna dash up the balloons. Blow. Blow will become blows. Krishna blows up the balloon. Meera dash at music festivals. Meera sings at music festivals. The thief dashed the money from Jude's purse. Steal. Steal will become stole. So the answers are went, buys, think, showed, forgot, drinks, saw, blows, sings and stole. I hope you have written all the answers and understood the lesson properly. Do the homework, make sentence you have to do, that is exercise number F, and learn all the things very nicely. Till the next video, take care, be safe and stay blessed. Thank you.